Welcome to board system test 38, so let's go ahead and get started. Before I begin today, I'd like to say that this system was requested by YouTube user Voltron. So let's go on to the first notification appliance. So up here we have a Simplex 4903-9215, which is set on March time, and everything on this system will be set to March time except for the key switch LED because that excludes that, but yeah. Moving over here, we have a radionic smoke detector. We can take it off its base to see the model. Get it. The model is D273TH, thermal and smoke detector. Like I said, I did get this out of an old bank when they were upgrading the system. So let me see if I get this bracket. So yeah. And over here, for the second notification appliance, we have a system sensor mass. And the model of this one is 2410, 24 volts DC like everything else. I also did get this from the bank as well, so we will be testing this with March time as well. Moving down here, we still have a Simplex 2098-906 test switch, which has not changed, and there will be no changes there anytime soon. Moving down here, we have two pull stations. The first is a 2099-9795 on the left. And on the right, we have a 2099-9762 key operated only Simplex T-bar. As I've mentioned in a lot of my other tests, these are typically used in places where you don't want the alarm to be pulled for false. So that's why they would have these in like prisons or hospitals where you don't want them pulling the alarm. Moving down here, we have a system sensor RTS2, and which is connected to the duct detector as the duct detector key switch. We will be doing a test of this today, so yeah. And there's the system sensor D4120 duct detector, which has not changed. Now, like I've mentioned in many of my other system tests, I'm going to be using batteries. Now, a lot of people may be wondering why you're using batteries. Now, the reason why is because this panel only puts out FWR power. So I'm going to be using the battery backup, since batteries put out filtered DC. So that's what I'm going to be using, especially for the Simplex Horn Strobe, because that thing needs filtered DC. Now, if I were to have this plugged into AC, this device could potentially get fried. So just a rule of thumb, guys, if you do have an MS5D and you want to use Simplex, use batteries for battery backup. Plug it in, plug the panel in, plug it out, and then just use the batteries. So yeah. Alright everybody, to start off the test today, I think we are going to start out by using the Simplex key operated. Here we go. Okay, and the alarm is silenced. Okay guys, so we're going to reattempt trying to test this because I tried testing it off camera and it wasn't working, so we're going to try again. This should hopefully set it off pretty fairly quick. Oh, there. Okay, and the alarm is now silenced. So now you can see the detector is in activation since we did spray some smoke at it. Okay, so the detector is now, the detector's not silenced, but the panel's now silenced. So now we're going to go ahead and reset the main fire alarm control panel. Let's see here. Okay guys, so next we are going to go and pull this pull station. Here we go. Okay, and the alarm is silenced. Now we're just going to go ahead and get my B key out, insert it into the station, pop it back up, and the handle automatically goes back up. And now we'll do a system reset. Okay guys, so instead of using this smoke switch, I thought today that we would go ahead and instead of just do it with that switch, we're gonna go ahead and spray some smoke in the back. So I'm gonna get my can and I'm just gonna spray some smoke. And that should set the alarm off. Or the duct detector off, to be honest. Let's see. And it will also set off the key switch. Piezo. Let's see, come on. Any second now. There we go. Okay, so now we have to reset this. Can I get this thing to reset? Alright, there we go. I finally got it to reset. So, when I reset that thing, it'll reset the duct detector. So, when the duct detector activates, with smoke going off in it, it will also, the key switch will also help with resetting it. Oh, it went off again. Let's see. Alright, so that reactivated right there. Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick system reset. And yeah. Alright guys, I thank you for watching this video. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe, and have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.